The number one way to make money on TikTok as a small content creator, whether you show your face, whether you don't, whether you use AI, whether you don't, is not the creator rewards program. It is not selling your own product. It is not sponsorships, but it is TikTok Shop affiliate. Let me show you an example of exactly what I'm talking about. Before we get into this, all the resources in this video will be linked in the description. Be sure to go and check those out. And I'm currently using my favorite spy tool here called Shoplus, which allows me to spy into what is working for TikTok Shop affiliates from different areas around the world, what videos, what products are selling the most, what people are saying, what their scripts are, how much commission they're earning, and how much money is being made. And this is real time as well, so I can see what's working right now, you know, and not just focus on stuff that was working months, even years ago. But I digress. So the example I'm talking about specifically here is someone that is selling this product here, this Goli Ashwagandha Vitamin D Gummy. Now, if you don't know how TikTok Shop affiliate works, it's very, very simple. All you do is create TikTok videos like you normally would do, except the difference is you have products that are linked in the description of your video, and you're talking about those products in your videos. And here is an example of a small creator that is done exactly just that. Now, keep in mind, this product sells for $13.26, and you get 20% commission for every sale that you make. Now, this creator right here, as you can see, they have just 1,400 followers on TikTok, so not a huge account at all. They have generated $7,880 selling this product since the video was uploaded on the 1st of August 2024, so just over a month ago at the time of recording this video. They sold 579 units. The crazy thing is the video did not even go that viral, guys. They only got 26,600 views on their account, and they managed to make that many sales. Now you can just imagine what happens with the people that get 1 million views, 1.4 million views, 600,000 views, 429,000 views, etc., etc. Even with a tiny amount of views in the huge ocean of views that is TikTok, you're still able to generate that much. Exactly the same whether you're faceless, whether you don't show your face, whether you do decide to show your face as well. In fact, I've got a specific video talking about how AI generated videos are absolutely crushing it on TikTok Shop affiliate as well, which I will have either linked in the description or it'll pop up at the end of this video for you to go and check out as well. But in this example, you can see that this creator made a 59-second long video talking about this product here. And if we click on the video just briefly, we're not going to play the audio just in case there is any copyright music in there. Try again. An error has just popped up here, and as you can see, the simplicity of these videos, it does not take a lot at all. There's no need for any fancy editing. There's no need for anything over the top. It's literally just someone sat somewhere comfortably talking about a product, and this product is the same product that they've got linked in their description of their video. In fact, linked on the video itself, there's like a little icon you'd normally see where you can click on. That will take you straight to the TikTok shop and they can buy the product. All of this happens within the TikTok app as well, which is just absolutely crazy nowadays, because usually for affiliate marketing, you'd have to create landing pages, you'd have to get tracking links, you'd have to, you know, drive traffic, you'd have to do all sorts of different things running around. TikTok has made it so easy. All of this is done without ever leaving the TikTok app, and it's absolutely free to get started. Apart from potentially purchasing the product that is got in hand, is completely free. And if we look at the price of the product, you know, you wouldn't exactly be breaking the bank, because it retails at $13.26 thereabouts. It might be slightly higher at times, it might be slightly less at times. And all you need to do is buy that product once, create the video. Even if you've only got 1,400 followers, you've still got a chance of making thousands of dollars promoting that video, even if you don't go viral. If you imagine, for example, if you compare this with the creator rewards program, you'd need at least a couple of 100,000 views per video in order to make a substantial amount of money that you can come on YouTube and brag about, and, you know, make money that potentially allows you to quit your full-time 9-to-5 job. Here, these people only need within TikTok Shop to average, a very, very small amount of views, because every view is an opportunity for someone to purchase the product. Even if you get 100 views, 200 views, 300 views, you could still have a bunch of people that have clicked on the product and purchased it. You've made some commission and the shop has made some money as well. You're not worried about the 200 view jail. You're not worried about all these other trivial things that everyone else is worried about as well. Now, the process that this creator most likely followed in order to obtain this product is a very, very simple 5-step process, which I'm just about to outline. The first thing they would have done is look for the product that they're going to promote. Now, the easiest way they would have done this, there's a bunch of different ways you can go about doing this, but the easiest way by far is using a spy tool like Shoplus, where you just go into the top sales and look at the rankings of the different products and make your choice from there. What product out of these top 5 or these top 10 am I comfortable talking about? Am I already using, or I was about to buy anyway, or that I'm very familiar with, or I've had a life-changing experience, weight loss, etc., from. Then you choose the product. You also look at how well it's been doing over the last couple of weeks. Obviously, you don't want to get a product that is tanking and sales are going down. You can do that by taking a look at the sales analysis tab here, which shows you historically how well the product has been doing the past 7 days, the past 15 days, the past 30 days, and so forth. We can see this product has been going up and it's been pretty consistent here. You also, what they would have done is look at the commission. Is it going to be worth my time? Am I going to get enough commission once I make sales on this product? Which again is something that Shoplus is showing you all within this same page here. Now, the next step they would have done, step number 2, would have been getting the product in their hands. Again, very easy. They could have easily asked for a sample within TikTok Shop from the shop for it to be sent to them free of charge. Alternatively, they could have just purchased it from somewhere like Amazon and gotten it on next day delivery, so they can start making videos and start taking action while the product is still hot. Or they could have just bought it from TikTok Shop in order to receive it as well. Now, the third step is to make the video, which obviously they did. Very simple, very straightforward. They're talking about the product. There's many different videos that you can look at for inspiration, so you can see what other people are saying in order to make all of these sales. If you just go into the relevant videos tab here on Shoplus, you can see all the different videos and how much money they've generated, so you can learn from the people that are making this much revenue from this product. Now, in addition to that, once they've got the video, the 4th step is, of course, to upload the video on TikTok. And the 5th step is to rinse and repeat. As we can see here, looking at the person's profile, if we go on here, click on this link, it'll take us to their page. And if we click on here, this is the gentleman's page here. You can see they didn't just create one video and quit. They created a bunch of different videos, tested out a number of different things. And, you just keep going. You don't just create one video and stop. You keep going. You keep being consistent. My internet is just running a tad slow here, hence why some of these videos are not loading straight away, but you get the idea. So rinse and repeat. Look for the product, step 1, do your research. Step 2, get the product in your hands. Step 3, get the video done. Step 4, upload the video. Step 5, just rinse and repeat. And there has never been a greater opportunity to make your first dollar online as a TikTok Shop affiliate as there is currently in 2024. And if you are a beginner, you're not sure where to start, what the first steps you need to take are, I have got a free beginner course that is linked in the description. It's an email course. Feel free to go and check that out. If you want to learn more about TikTok Shop and making money on TikTok, be sure to check out the video that is currently on your screen as well.